eyes only, naked eyes, I can see where is Mars. So I'm pointing towards Mars. So exactly where Mars is shown. And you can see Mars was earlier in Cancer, but now Mars has moved to, if you see, constellation is Gemini. And same constellation you will find in daily Panchang. So Mars is here in Gemini, January 25, 25. Planetary alignment I'm checking. And which planet is this? Jupiter. And where is Jupiter? So if you see, Jupiter is in Taurus. And yes, Jupiter is in Taurus as per our astrological Panchang. Okay. And if you see, which one is this? Uranus. And Uranus is also in Taurus. But if I go little bit, it has moved. I'm now moving it. So if I keep moving, you will find where it is. So when I'm moving, I'm finding another constellation, that another sign, zodiac sign. This is Aries. So you can see how they are aligned, these two, Jupiter and then Uranus, and how it is aligned in the almost in Aries. And from there, if I go little here, which one zodiac? So this is Pisces. So in Pisces, when we are seeing, we have Neptune, we have Venus, and it is naked eyes. I can see three alignment very simply. Those three alignment are Mars and then Jupiter and then Venus. Very easy to identify. Saturn is all there. And if I keep on going bit down, because Mercury is yet to rise here in India at this time when I'm recording. Okay, so I'm going, you can see this is Capricorn. And where is Mercury? Mercury is moving towards Capricorn. Okay, so Sun, you can see Sun is in Capricorn. This is Capricorn, this is Sun. So Sun is already in Capricorn. And then we have Mercury. And if I go little more alignment, so this is a Sagittarius. Okay, so Mercury is moving from Sagittarius towards the, you can see, Capricorn. Sun and Mercury almost together there. And then we have here Moon. So how many planets you saw there? We have Moon, Mercury, and then we have Saturn, we have Venus, and then we have here Neptune, right? And then if I go there, you can see Uranus, and then you can see here, this is Uranus, and then you can see Jupiter, and little bit, if I come down, we have Mars, January 2025, Shartila Akashi. Such a beautiful planetary alignment, and we are lucky to see this. Sharing with all of you, and manifest your desires with gratefulness in your heart, and the highest good for all of us. All the best. Take care. From Yogita Chaudhary, Tarot Healer YC, Transform with Wise.